You and me, financial freedom. We work from our phone and then you get money from the money, from the money, from the money.
Stop.
What?
Stay clear.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Okay, guys, I have something for you that I really want to share with you. So it's something very special that scientists do not talk about. It's this very special oil that's been saving people's lives, but no one wants to talk about it. There was one man, he couldn't walk, and now he runs marathon. And you know the best part?
Let me guess.
What?
I can become a member and do this and gain financial freedom, right?
Yes. I mean, imagine, Kat, you and me, financial freedom. We work from our phone. We're in Spain. We're sipping the cocktails.
Yes, stop.
What?
Had it. Stop. If you see this on YouTube, if you see it on TikTok, when you see it on Instagram, if it sounds too good to be true,
Then?
it is too good to be true.
Yes.
So let's sort this out.
And what is this called?
Well, we're going to go with a lawyer perspective here. This is called a pyramid scheme.
Oh, I've heard about that.
Yeah.
I got caught.
Yeah, and it's very typical that they go through social media by showing beautiful women with their accomplished lifestyle, talking about how this changed their life.
Yeah.
And then they tell you can become a member.
Yes, you only have to pay this starter kit.
Yeah.
And recruit a few people.
Yeah.
And then recruit a few people.
Yeah.
And then you get money from the money, from the money, from the money.
And that's exactly it. What happens when you talk about this pyramid scheme is that the money that's being made is actually not in reality made from selling the product or whatever kind of service or whatever it is this pyramid is doing, claiming to be doing. So the money does not come from the external sources as it claims. In fact, what happens is that all of the money that the people on top of this pyramid gets will be from the new recruits. So everybody who joins the line pays upwards. It's a membership fee, it's a starter kit, it's a minimum quantity that you need to order each year. So you pay upwards. And the only way that you get money, it won't be through selling. It will be through the pressure of recruiting new people in. And then you get a small commission, and everybody you recruited, the ones on top of you, get part of everything underneath them.
So they just sit there and just receiving everything.
So the higher up in the pyramid, the more people you get a cut from. And the lower, the harder it gets. Because this method is only sustainable if you keep bringing on new members. So sooner or later it will crumble because it's impossible. It will become unsustainable. So people will get more and more desperate the further down you get. And finally, they will end up with zero. They will only have paid to be part of the scheme. They will only have paid the ones on top. And they will lose money. And perhaps even worse, many feel very, very ashamed because they bought in to the beautiful Instagram lady showing off her lavish lifestyle, promising financial independence.
Yes, and you often talk to people like now you can become a business owner, you can invest. I mean, everyone wants to be a part of that. Yes, but it's hard work. So, I mean, this is too good to be true. And you see it every day. I mean, if you're on TikTok, you probably see it as we speak.
Stay clear. And I just mentioned that not only will you lose money on it and time, you will also not only be ashamed, even worse, what happens if you fooled or pressured or just pulled on your friends and your family to become members. And they also lose money and they also feel ashamed. And you feel that, oh, I messed up a whole bunch of friendships here because I was the one who pulled them into this scheme.
Which it is.
It is. So it's okay to have some kind of company that says that if you bring in new recruits, you get some kind of commission. But then still the focus is on selling a product, providing a service. That's okay. We're talking about this situation where the profit in whole or a significant majority is only made through new recruits. So there's no actual production, no actual selling, nothing. It's just that pulling in more gullible people all the time.
Well, be careful.
Be careful.
Well,
Well,
it's amazing to see this because, I mean, it's so common. But now when you're watching this, I really hope that you listen because it can be very hard for you to get out of this as well.
yeah. And it's such a horrible situation.
Yes.
Not
So
worth it.
don't jump
Think
into
again.
this. Yes, listen to our business lawyer. Thanks for explaining this so well.
Thank you.
And until next time,
It's not.
legal advice, it's knowledge sharing as usual. And this is very, very important information. Like, subscribe, and share it to your family and friends because you do not want them to end up in this shit, to be honest.
And we're powered by.
We are powered by LA Fitness. Thank you so much and
Tack.
rock on.
Hej då!
Hej då!